Hey YouTube, it's Nadine and this is a learning journey. Today I'm going to do something I haven't done in a while and I used to really enjoy doing. We're going to go ahead and carve a spoon. I don't think I'm going to do it all by hand. I think I'm going to use the bandsaw to cut it out. At one time I would have done the whole thing by hand, but it takes a while and I'm kind of hoping to get it completed today. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm actually just going to use a piece of 2x4 to do this. It's been a while, so it's almost more of practice than hopefully getting something super useful out of it. But I'm just going to do a rough sketch. And I'll shape it more while I'm actually making it. That's it. And we're going to take it over to the bandsaw. Went ahead, I think my arm was blocking it, but I just went ahead, cut these in half because you don't need anything that big. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and use this little one, so I think that would make a good kitchen stirring spoon. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start by carving out the bowl part. So I'm just gonna draw something on here for reference. Doesn't mean it'll end up looking like this at all. And we'll put it in the clamp and let's get started. Okay, so it's starting to come along. I ended up dropping the hammer. I just couldn't get really any leverage on it. So got a few little divots that I gotta get worked out. But definitely looking a little bit more like a spoon now. Alright, so I'm struggling a bit. I got these pieces I can't quite get out. I'm gonna take a sander to it. This is gonna take forever. We're gonna go back to the bandsaw. Okay, here it is. So it was done really quick. It doesn't look that good. It was not hand carved. It was done all with power tools. But you know, I made something today, and I did enjoy it. It was fun. What I did learn was just because you did something a couple years ago doesn't mean that you actually remember how to do it. So I'm gonna go research this, and we're gonna call this a spoon fail. But we're gonna come back with a vengeance in a second video. Spoon part 2. So just one more thing. I'm putting this in at the very end for those of you that aren't a big fan of the pups. But here's a little quick clip what the pups have been up to. Bye guys. Somebody made themselves comfy.